Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. Today I'll show you easy tip about YouTube. The topic is how to play YouTube video in landscape mode without doing any changes. So first I will show you my setting. Here you can see my phone setting is portrait. It's not landscape or not a auto rotate. So it's portrait. But I want when I play the YouTube video, it will automatically play in landscape mode. So let's see how to do this. A simple thing is go to your YouTube, play your favorite video, take any one. Okay, which one? Okay, take this one. So still my phone in portrait mode. I'm not going to change any setting here, and here just tap on or click on this full screen icon. Let me show you this one. Let's tap here. Okay, boom, that's it. Now my phone video is playing landscape mode. I didn't change any setting here. Even my phone is still on portrait mode. I will show you. To get back in portrait, just do the same thing. Click on this icon and let me show. Look at that. It is still on the portrait mode, so I don't need to do the auto rotate like this. So my phone is portrait mode and my video is playing landscape when I tap on this full screen. So this is very simple and easy tip for YouTube. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.